Hi, I'm Sophia and this is my van. Welcome to my van. I will do a quick tour for you. This was our personal van. We have been traveling in this van for 9 months. We just moved out of the van 2 days ago and listed it for sale. Today I will explain how everything works here and how comfortable it was to live in this van continuously for 9 months. This van is very different from many others because it has all the amenities of a real home while you're on the road. When traveling for an extended period, it's natural to become wary of the daily routine, which isn't as comfortable as being at home. That's why we designed this van with all the amenities of a real home, allowing to travel throughout the country for an extended period without worrying about returning home quickly to enjoy the comforts of home. This van is suitable for traveling in all 4 seasons, thanks to its excellent climate control systems. It also features a full shower with a genius sliding toilet, a spacious kitchen with a dishwasher and eye-level fridge, and comfortable sleeping accommodations for 3 people. This van has a layout with a permanent living area and a permanent fixed raised bed. In the living area, you can seat up to 4 people with 2 swivel passenger and driver seats and a bench where 2 people can easily fit. The interior design of this van is inspired by the tropical paradise of Bali Island. So the interior brings natural colors of wood, forest green, stone, gray, brown, and creates a very warm and tropical atmosphere. We also have a very nice design feature. A multicolor, multi-zone LED light. Everything is controlled from 2 remote controllers. You can turn all the lights off, all the lights on with 1 button, and control separate zones to change the color, to dim and play the light, to create a different atmosphere in the van.
I'm Nate Murphy, and I have literally just bought this van to show you how to build a van. We have made a really detailed course which will help you go from this to this. You will learn everything you need. We help you specify your electrical system and you'll be able to access a community all building their own vans at the same time.
Since this house was built to be used throughout the 4 seasons, it is easy to transform the interior from a tropical paradise to a winter wonderland. By incorporating deep greens and browns, along with appropriate decorations, this van can be transformed into a cozy chalet, complete with a warm Christmas atmosphere. This van is well suited for winter adventures, particularly skiing. It serves as a perfect chalet on wheels that can be parked next to any ski resort, making it an essential part of any winter adventure. After participating in winter activities outside, it is always a great feeling to come back to the warm and cozy van. This van is equipped with heated floors. The entire heating system runs on diesel from the main tank of the van and heats the floors, air, and water inside. Underneath the floor, there are 150 feet of glycol pipes. We designed the entire system in collaboration with Timberline Hydronic Heating System. I love the heated floors because they are a game changer during cold winter or autumn days in the mountains. I can even walk barefoot inside the van. In fact, the heated floors warm up the entire surface of the van, not just the floor. This creates a cozy and comfortable environment, even when it's cold and snowy outside. One of the special pleasures of van life is taking a hot shower in a spa-like environment. This is made possible by a winterized grey water system, which involves running a cable and adding heated pads to all the pipes and the grey water tank underneath the van. With this system in place, you can still use water inside the van even when the temperature outside is below freezing. The shower is one of the smartest features in our van. First of all, it's very spacious, and you can see that I easily fit inside, and everyone up to 6 feet 2 inches will fit inside this shower stall. The shower pan is specially designed for our layouts and made from stainless steel. This shower pan has 4 drains, 1 drain in each corner. The shower pan is flat and positioned lower than the floor level, resulting in a larger shower stall than usual, despite the presence of heated pipes underneath. This sliding door gives you privacy. This very efficient shower head, Nebbia by Moen, uses just 0.4 gallons per minute, which is about 100 minutes of shower out of our water tank. The walls in the shower are made from natural stone veneer, black and nice. Another cool and very significant feature of this van is a sliding toilet. The toilet will not obstruct your shower. It slides into the shower when you need it and slides out of the shower when you don't need it. The toilet is set on heavy-duty rails and hidden behind the door. I personally love our toilet setup because it's very convenient. You don't need to remove a heavy toilet every time you want to take a shower and stay next to the toilet while showering. It was designed to meet our personal needs, and other travelers have found the idea genius. Our personal choice for a toilet in a van is the Tiny by Separate, which features 2 separate containers for urine and solid waste. It is easy to use and clean and has ventilation, which is essential to prevent odors. With the ventilation system, the toilet never smells and all the air is directed outside the van. Even outside, there is no noticeable odor. We also have an outdoor shower that is easy to connect, and we do have here cold and hot water as well. So full shower outside. We usually use it to clean our gear or shoes, such as after hiking or mountain biking. We have a 42-gallon fresh water tank and a 20-gallon gray water tank. So the 42-gallon fresh water tank allows us to stay off-grid for about a week for 2 people using water every day, taking a shower, using the sink and dishwasher. Let's talk about the kitchen area. We have a fully equipped kitchen that allows us to cook our favorite meals wherever we are. The galley is 86 inches and it has a big countertop. This countertop is made of acrylic stone similar to Korean. The countertop has an extension, providing you with even more space. In addition, you can use the passenger seat as an additional desk for seating and working. The induction cooktop has 2 burners and it's mounted in the countertop. The dip quartz sink and faucet with an extension to easy clean, very convenient and comfortable to use. This is a very particular material. The backsplash is made from natural stone. It is a real stone veneer that is 2 millimeters thick, lightweight and flexible. We use the same material in the shower. You can see the structure, and when you touch it, you can feel that it is made of stone. The kitchen has 10 drawers and 1 pantry, each equipped with soft close sliders. All of the drawers are made from Baltic birch, the most durable and expensive material available. Heavy-duty magnets are installed to keep the drawers closed while driving, ensuring their constant security. The superstar of the kitchen is the dishwasher, as it is currently the only van on the market with a dishwasher, a small dishwasher specially designed for RVs. This dishwasher fits 6 sets of dishes, and it actually helps to save water. It uses 2.4 gallons per cycle, and it's really more efficient than washing dishes by hand. Here is our eye-positioned fridge for easy access. With a capacity of 3.3 cubic feet and a small freezer. You can store food in this fridge for up to 1 week. Regarding storage, the van includes upper cabinets to store clothes in bins and a real closet located below the fridge for hanging clothes. We also have 3 more big pantries, 1, 2, and one more on the button that serves as step to climb up on the bed. It's heavy duty and you can easily stand on it. This bottom part pantry also serves as a wine rack, allowing you to have your own wine collection in the van. During the cold winter months, there's nothing like relaxing in the warmth of your cozy van with a glass of red wine. The van's living area features a comfortable bench where you can sit and stretch your legs. This bench is highly versatile. It features a movable part that can be put down to allow two people to sit facing each other. The seating area can also be quickly transformed into a single-size bed for guests by removing the dining table. The main bed is a full size, 75 inches long and 55 inches wide. We installed one capsule on one side of the van that allowed us to increase the length of the bed by 5 inches. It's more than enough for two people on the road. However, it can be a queen. So instead of these pantries, the bed can be wider. 6 inches memory foam mattress for comfy and luxury sleep on the road. We didn't raise the bed too high, so you can easily sit on the bed and still have ample storage space underneath it. We call it garage because we store our mountain bikes here. There is a very convenient sliding shelf heavy duty, so I can easily see it on it. It's very convenient to use because you have access for all the things that you store deep in the garage area. In addition to its excellent climate control systems, our van is also equipped with one of the most efficient air conditioners available. So even during hot summer nights, you can stay comfortable and cool in our van while enjoying all its amenities. The 12-volt Cruise and Comfort air conditioner is mounted underneath the van, so it doesn't take up any space on the roof. It's extremely efficient even when the van's battery runs low. In fact, it can run continuously for up to 24 hours on the van's battery alone. Furthermore, solar panels on the roof of the van that charge the battery during sunny days, providing even more power than we need to run the AC. So during sunny days, we can run our AC for unlimited time. In addition to the air conditioning for comfortable working conditions in the van, we have added the option of connecting to satellite internet. This enables to work from anywhere on the road. During the break, take the opportunity to relax and enjoy your surroundings. You can sunbathe or play golf on the roof of the van. Please note that we use only biodegradable balls that dissolve in water within 2 weeks. In order to replicate the conveniences of home, such as charging devices, using household appliances, and not having to conserve electricity, we installed a powerful electrical system in this van. This is our electrical system that is hidden in this nice box. Outside we have main battery disconnect, DC breakers, AC breakers, 2 fans to cool down the system, and 110-volt outlet to charge e-bikes or something else. This big electrical system has 900 amp-hour battery bank, 2 DC-DC chargers to charge batteries while we're driving, solar MPPT controller and 3000-watt inverter charger. The whole system is built out of Victron devices, well-known marine industry brand. We do have control panel inside the van, but we also have an app that connected by Bluetooth to the whole system where we can check the state of charge of our lithium batteries and the status of all the devices. This system allows to stay off-grid about 7 days with no source of charge. However, we have 3 different sources of charge. We have 600 watts of solar panels installed on the roof of the van. We can connect to shore power at any wall outlet. Additionally, we have an alternator that allows us to charge our batteries while we're driving. This van is not our first. We started our van life journey during the COVID-19 pandemic in 2021. It began with our first van, which we built ourselves and traveled in for 3 months. The van impressed many people, and soon we received our first customer who wanted us to build the same van for them. This led to the creation of Tiny Planet, a company specializing in building vans for those pursuing bliss. We are located in Sacramento, Northern California, and have a large team of professional builders. Our shop allows us to build up to 4 vans simultaneously. Since our inception, we've built over 20 vans and have participated in major expo events. We have also been featured on TV and popular YouTube channels. The Voguish interiors, inspired by American landscapes and European aesthetics, high-end quality and sophisticated layouts are designed for those seeking unrivaled travel experiences in natural surroundings. At Tiny Planet, our mission is to enhance the overall enjoyment of life by providing an unparalleled travel experience. We believe in offering the ultimate freedom and flexibility to explore new places, indulge in their passions, uncover the unexpected, cherish quality time with loved ones, immerse in the beauty of nature, and cultivate mindfulness through travel. Thank you for watching the tour. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Tiny Planet Group. Follow us on Instagram, tinyplanet.group, and visit our website, tinyplanet.group, to see more vans with different designs and layouts. See you on the road. Bye-bye.
Are you thinking of building your own van, but you're worried about how complicated the process is? The bad news is, it is quite complicated. The good news is, we have made a super detailed online course to help you go from this to this. You will learn how to do insulation, carpentry, solar systems, everything you need. We help you specify your electrical system, and you'll be able to access the community all building their own vans at the same time. It's never been easier to learn how to build your own van.